Hello, my people. I greet the full house from untouchable mama host on a day fine. Una do well, so na tell help me tell they share, comment, like. God will bless you. I really appreciate you. Well. My people, this video where I bring on so where just the trend they go. I believe say most of una don't see her. For those who never see her, more than listening where more than watch this video where I go put for una. Una see this life. When your eye too open for money, e no good, especially when we dey talk many people dey talk all the time say if something never enter body, e still good. You see say when something don enter body, to cure am e no go be as the same girl, e no go be as e just fit be before. You no understand? Too much of everything is bad. Like this girl wey una dey see for there na olosho, una understand? All those where they do hook up of 18, now this guy be. So you can't see one man for tender. Now if you see this man, when he chat with this man can't tell him say make them see body, okay? Now they go see body for hotel like that. So this man can't tell him say he want do without he want put anything. He want go up at direct. And she can't agree. Person wey be say you don't know. You don't even know in and out of this person whether he gets anything for body or whether he not get. Most people then they do that thing all because of money. He say contact the man say make he give am double money. The man can't say problem no dey. Now no say person wey want do wey want give you some sickness for body. They not care even though say you ask am may give you 5 times of money. He go give you. He go so that you go still get wetin get. Or whether he use am say do money ritual, we not know. Okay? He said the contract the man say, okay, if you know say you want go up at direct, may you give am double money. Say the man can say problem not there. Now the man can't give am. When they don't finish waiting, they want to finish, he can't go drop out. As this girl reach us now, he can't dey feel pain for belle. Like say he want see a period, you know. He say after he can't see the pain can't dey come. So before you know the next thing, he can't dey see say blood come dey come out. According to her, she dey think say na menses. You know say sometimes your period never reach the time where you go take on. If you just burst out because of maybe the way the man take shake everything for there, it go come out. You know, it dey happen like that sometimes. He said not be only that one. Like we can't dey see all this my God. Wanna see wetin dey come out for inside the kpekus with the blood where they come out, my people. This one now only God now they help person where you don't know why you go up at direct. Even sometimes a person wey be say na your boyfriend, you go see the suspect say I don't know whether now let me one now they do the thing. Maybe it still be now say you they go with other guys. So I don't know, but now as you want even go up at direct self, your mind go they even they tell you say tell her may use rubber, tell her may put something because you not trust that boy. Talk less of say person where you not know at all. I know say if it happen sometimes say maybe you go put the rubber, it go burst, but at least you know say it burst. No, you go still know say okay, it be use am but it can't burst. But this one where be say they not even use anything because of say may give you double money, you can't agree. The man give am. Later now she can't defeat the pain because nobody know who be the man. Nobody know wetin he do to her. Nobody know wetin he use rub inside his body before he shook am for inside. Nobody know wetin he even get because of saying one. No say some people be like that. He go say this sickness wey he get now person still give am. So he go try say make he still give other people. You know because of all this girl wey they do run see wey they do ashi. You understand? They go carry. And all those one now, they no fit us say no, they don't need them. Either may we use a rubber or we not do anything. No, then go say may then go upper direct. Upper direct now. See wetin this one can dey. Wetin the problem where can't get now. Not be only say the blood they come out for inside ikpekuso. You see the vomit and come out for mouth. My people, wanna be careful. Even all these solo show people say, Mona stop all these things. Go look for better things that they do. Because that your kpekus, it not be as it can't be before. Because this one come, trailer come, it go enter. Wetin call and go enter. The other one, keke na peg go enter. The other one go come, go enter. Big one, the small one, the short one, the one where go reach your this thing, everything they enter for them. that side e no be as e be before. Because some people just specialize on these things, say they no want go work. All wetin they want do, just they use their kpekus, just they guide, they go, just they carry and they go. They'll say, ah, with kpekus, probably not then a business. May I tell una, na self, na just they buy, they go. Una they buy, una self, they go, because inside there, it must be a before you get. And maybe now, when you can say, okay, maybe you want to look for pikin no go quick come, because where you don't shake for many times, maybe sometimes na be go be 5-10 times a day. When they tell they shake inside there, how pikin want to stay there? How pikin want to stay there, my people? Pikin no fit stay there. Now they cause am where some people you come they look for pikin, you come be another problem, because everybody not be the same. Some people they where do this olosho finish, you go still get pikin, problem not there. But most of them pikin go dey hard them. They go come be like say they come dey catch winch, come dey catch wizard. Because now wetin be say inside there, it not be at the person wey be say never even do at all. It not be like that again. You know? Mona be careful. May I put this video? May we watch am together. Mona no vex. I go block some place because of social media, okay? Because the thing where they come out for there with the blood where they come out for a man, I go block am. But now they listen to where she forget this man, how they do everything. Because now waiting, because most people they carry this video. I don't see this video last week. I say okay, I never get chance. Me I do one when I'll get chance. May we listen to her as he take carry this man tell her say upper direct 9 go. She not even say she not agree. She say probably not the. May we listen.
Jesus, Love Cruz. Love Cruz.
Yes.
What is this? What happened to you?
Today.
Jesus.
Today, oh, I met this guy on Tinder. I went to see him yesterday. So he said he wants to sleep with me and give me money for me to take care of myself in school.
Jesus.
So I agreed to it, and he said he will not use condom. The guy dropped me. I started feeling stomach pain.
Jesus.
Before you know it, I started bleeding.
Jesus.
I started bleeding.
Hey, Lord.
And I've seen my period for this month. So I was just thinking maybe my period came back again. The next thing I saw was I was getting sensational movement. And then I opened it.
So wetin be this way pour for your laps, maybe like oil?
Not this olive oil, oh. I've been using the olive oil to pray.
Sorry. 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 You're even coughing out maggot with blood at the same time. Have you reached out to your parents?
No.
My people. My people. Mona be careful. Be very, very careful. Mona no vex. I go block all these places where be so na they see so. Because it's not good to see like that. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one. Bye-bye for now. Okay? Be careful. Guess. Be very, very careful. It's until don't enter body. Before it go come out. If you even come out safe, it not go be as before. It not go be as before. Okay? It not go be as before. Many people get sickness for outside there. They not go tell you. They want give you. They want to give another person. Maybe so now many way get them. Now bye bye for now.